In today's video, I'm going to help you fix the issue where the Expedia app won't let you sign in. Whether you're getting a login error or just can't access your account, I've got some quick and easy solutions to get you back on track. First things first, make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Now, if you're on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router or switching to mobile data to see if the issue persists. Now, what you need to do is simply check if you're entering the correct username and password. So sometimes logging issues occur because of small mistakes in the credentials. Double check your email address and password. Make sure caps lock isn't on when entering your password. If you're unsure, try typing it out in a note app first to make sure there are no typos. Now, sometimes login issues happen because you're using an outdated version of the app. Make sure the app is fully updated. Open App Store and simply search for Expedia, and if there's an update available, simply update it. If updating the app didn't work, you may need to clear the app cache. If you're on Android, you can do that. You can simply go to settings, apps and notification, find and select Expedia and tap on clear cache and clear data after tapping on storage and cache. If not, then you may need to uninstall the app and reinstall it again. And that's it. Those are some quick and easy steps to fix the issue of Expedia app not letting you sign in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.